Hello! Before I introduce myself, I have a question for you. Do you want to offer trainings that have a positive impact on your employees or a coaching for yourself? Do you want to contribute to change? I'm Istvan van Heuverswing, Director and Certified Trainer at theatremoderne.com, a communication organization labeled Calliope. I accompany in different languages, with the help of my colleagues, the development of skills of employees, managers, leaders and individuals. I have also developed training modules to overcome online difficulties through the oratory art and online speaking, and communication in digital and compassionate communication inspired by non-violent communication. Why? I want to contribute to social change. Our mission is to transform disagreement, conflicts and the difficulties of communication or speaking out, and to lead to better collaboration between individuals. Our intention to cultivate mutual consideration, equity, belief in the value of each and the realization of each other, and take pleasure. Our methodology, individual accompaniment through specific professional situations with a trained actor or specialized in NVC or emotional regulation in a compassionate and playful setting. What is the individual training and coaching part? This is the part of our training center that addresses individuals and employees in an individual way, wishing to do personal development or support social change. I accompany them personally and mainly online. I would be delighted if you would like to exchange views, which would allow me to get to know you better and support you, or put me in touch with people who would be interested in. I would like to give you a little gift, if you don't mind. A 45-minute personalized coaching session, or an invitation to my webinar on the introduction of non-violent communication or emotional regulation. Are you interested in that? Thank you for your listening. Do you agree to contribute together to change and to respond to my invitation, calling me at 0033682357969? I will be happy to receive an answer from you, because without you, nothing will happen. It's up to you. I'm looking forward, and we are looking forward to hearing from you. Bye. Hope to see you soon.